So hi guys, welcome to Japan. Welcome back guys. So ako pa rin si Rhea, isang OFW dito sa Malaysia. So samahan nyo kami gumala ngayon dito sa Lalaport ng Malaysia at hindi ng Japan guys.
Say hi guys. Got swimming pool there, up in the sky.
So guys, namamangha pa rin tayo sa swimming pool nandoon sa tuktok ng bundok kasi walang swimming pool doon sa bukid. Then kumain na muna tayo dito sa shabu-shabu guys kasi nagutom na yung mga kain kasi sa kakaikot na wala namang ginagawa.
For today's vlog, we're going to Japan! Okay, you go to Japan. Here! This is Japan, made by Lalaport. And we reach already, guys, to Daisu, Japan. Japan lah, Ulay. Guys, Mustang Elita. Still chilling down, chilling pa rin. Chilling under the hat of the sun. Chilling daw this one. Eh, so hot. God! But it's so spicy. So spicy and it's so hot. So hot and it's so burning. You want? You want? Spider-Man. Did you know that? Be, you're Spider-Man, Be? Tagalong si Drake. Sige. Yo. The ours one is so slow. Then how? Duan lagi. Duan anak ba? Duan ba? Eh. Duan. Jungle. Yeah.
Jungle Gym.
Hi guys, this one is a jungle. Ah,
See Genting.
Genting Highlands. There's like a jungle.
So yun lang guys. See you around.